This is a tutorial for Lady Madonna, this time as a piano accompanist. So we won't be playing the melody in the right hand, you'll be singing it or somebody will be singing it. And you'll be playing the root note down low as a bass note. So this is the chord. For the first chord is a G, we're going to play it like that. B, D, and G on the top. Lady Madonna, there's her C chord, root position, C, E, G. Children, there's a G chord again, at your feet, C again. She wonders how you manage that C, and then it's G again. To make, there's E flat, B flat, E flat, G. Make ends at F, C, F, A, ends meet. There's a G chord, D, G, and B like that. So it's real easy. You just go just like that when you go up. It repeats. Who finds G the money? C. When, you know what? Let's do the G chord the way we did it like that. It's easier. Who finds G, B, D, G the money? C, C, E, G. When you G, pay the rent. C again. Did you G it? You think that money? C, G, E flat, B flat, E flat, G, F, C, F, A, G, D, G, B. Real easy like that. Then you've got a C minor chord. Friday night, that's C, E flat, and G. Night arrives without a suitcase. There's your F7, C, E flat, F, and A. So that's pretty easy. C minor to F7 like that. B flat. There's your B flat. You could do it like that. F, B flat, and D. Monday morning creeping like a nun. C minor, C, E flat, and G again. Somebody's child has learned to tie his bootlace. F7, C, E flat, F, A, B flat, C. That's D, F, B flat on the top. C, how, C minor, C, E flat, and G. How they run. There's your D7 chord. And it's D, F sharp, A, and C, root position there. Then you're back on G again. G, D, G, B like that. Lady, C, Madonna, B, G, baby is G, breast is C, wonder is a G, wonders how you manage. C, G, to feed, E flat, F, G. So that's G chord there in that instrumental part. C, G, S7, G. So work on it hands alone. The only other thing that you have to add here is the root note. So when I'm playing a G chord here, guess what the root note is? The bass note. C chord. You can do it like that, or you can do it like that. I'm playing E flat, F, G. You're just adding that sound low. So this is what it sounds like when you're all done. Lady Madonna.